Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So you've seen a couple videos of ours now with our crews lifting homes throughout Southern California. When we're doing those lifts, some of the cracking that is present for you, the reason you calling us out there typically, can actually be closed up if it hasn't been altered. So if you have a crack and we lift the house back up, it will typically close back up. If we go out there, do a lift, and the house has been patched, we see this a lot of times with flipped homes, any of the cracks by the doorways or windows will actually compress. It will push whatever material or caulking back out, and you'll see the crack reappear. Don't worry, it's a quick little easy fix. Drywall paint one last time after the lift and the house has been stabilized to get your house back in good shape. So just keep that in mind before you do any additional kitchen remodeling or drywall or painting repairs. Let's get that foundation fixed so we do it once and not two more times. All right, guys, that's your foundation repair tip of the day. Stay tuned and we'll see you soon.